Okay, so we've got the CM video for the Sports Eco Ford. It's coming for a decontamination and a valet as well, I believe. But just to look on the outside, we have done pictures of the outside as well. Okay, so now we're inside the car. Let me just get my torch out. Taking the scuttle area apart because we believe that it's gone into the pollen filter, which is underneath here, and gone into the ventilation system. So it's all being thoroughly vacuumed. That's the start, or after it's been fogged. And we've got to get in every detail. So that's the sort of beginning part of the job. So that's the air intake there, and we've got the scuttle area off. You can see there's debris all along here.
What we're doing there now is putting the Formula 429, which is safe for people. They use it in operating theatres, and that's going right through the system. So we'll put a camera in there as well, and we'll blow air through it, of course, and we'll blow it through from both ends, so from the ventilation side as well. Right, so we've put it on circulate to move the flap up and down to get the stuff off the flap. So we've got it on air coming through, and then inside here we're just blowing air through. And then we've had that on circulate, so the flap opens and closes so you can get the grit off the flap. So that's just giving you a rundown on what we're doing. There's other debris here which we'll clean anyway, but you know, the bits we're seeing is these little tiny bits of particles that, like this, it's just grit, and it's just on everything. You can see it all across here, and it's on here, you know, just little tiny particles of this gritty stuff. So it's obviously, you know, can you see it on here? So it's obviously been smothered in something. Yeah, see it on the window as well, look, just here. So it's not bad, but it is here. Look, can you see it all along here? So we'll get it all off and get it all out of the car, and then we'll make it safe, which we're doing. A bit of both.
Okay, quick video. We've now removed the scuttle area, so we can see we've got loads of dirt and debris in there. We've took the intake out as well, and we've UVA fogged whilst the air conditioning was on, and we've airlined it as well. So the problem is it's this stuff here, which is the contamination from chipboard. It's very, very small. We can see that it's over the engine as well, so it's very, very hard to see. But that's obviously what was inside the car as well. We can see little dots here as well. On the scuttle area, we can see on this one here, we can see quite a lot of the spots. So we believe what that was doing is it was sucking it through this filter, because as you can see, the holes ain't that small, and then particles can get through. And then it was then obviously sucking it up into the car. So just to note that one there. Okay, another quick video. So we've now cleaned out the scuttle area, so it's all clean of dirt and debris. And I've cleaned all of the scuttle brackets as well, so they've all been cleaned. So we can start rebuilding the front end up now, because we know that's all clear of debris. Lovely. Okay, so we've got the end video now, so it's looking nice and shiny on the outside. All of the bits which were in the car in this bag here. This bag, we have the bag which was in the vacuum and the pollen filter, because the pollen filter has been changed as well. We're just waiting for some mats to dry off so we can put them back in the car. And we've got one mat in there so far, that it would be the driver's mat. and the other mats are just over here drying. So they're just drying. As soon as they're dry, we can put them back in the car, spray a bit of air freshener, and then job's all done.
Amazing.